Welcome to Prestige Car Supermarket and this 2020 BMW 118i M Sport. This car's key features include the Alpine White paintwork, Apple CarPlay and heated front seats. Now moving around the front of the car, you can see we've got the M Sport exterior styling with the M Sport bumper, the BMW badging, the chrome kidney grille and the LED headlights with the Icon Design DRLs. The car sits on these 18-inch double-spoke style 819M alloys. To the side of the car, you can see we've got the M badging on the front wings, along with the high-gloss shadowline trim around the windows. And to the rear of the car, you can see we've got the M Sport rear bumper, along with the BMW badging, the 118i chrome model designation, and the LED tail lights. Now this car is powered by BMW's B38 engine. This is a 1.5 litre turbocharged inline 3-cylinder petrol. Here in the 118i, it makes 138 horsepower. This power is sent to the front wheels through a 6-speed manual gearbox. Moving on to the car's interior, you can see we've got the black Dakota leather, M-branded door sills, this M leather steering wheel, this partially digital cockpit, dual zone climate control, the Boston interior trim, this iDrive 6 control display which has features such as the configurator for the ambient lighting, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and switchable drive modes which include Comfort, Sport and Eco Pro. That's our 2020 BMW 118i M Sport.